Hey folks, Robbie here. I have been working on my 65 Impala. Hopefully you can see it okay. But this bare metal foil has been something else. It wants to come apart every time I'm using it. Maybe it's an old sheet or so, but this is what I've been working on. Hopefully you can see it okay. Get a little more light on it. The rear wheel had broken off too, but I was able to fix it and stuff. But I misplaced the decals, so it won't have no decals on it. But hopefully you can see this okay. But it's getting there. It's getting there. And then I'm also got another one I'm working on, kind of a street rod version. It's in turquoise and stuff, and I'll show you it real quick. It'll have some torque thrust wheels, but it'll have tan interior. But there's the other one I'm working on. But anyway, just kind of wanted to show you this. So thanks for checking it out. Robbie signing